Good morning. It's Wednesday, the 9th of February, 2022, and welcome to our Storm Daily Debrief. Just to recap yesterday's action, we had miners trade really well. Anglo's, Billies all trading well. We had news that China was coming to buy A shares, and we obviously got a little bit of a boost with Naspers and Process coming off some decent lows there. So definitely a place we're going to be watching today. Just to look at some closing prices, S&P is up about 60 points since our close. We've obviously got Nasdaq up 300 points, FTSE Future showing up 0.8%. VIX were killed in quite decently. This morning we've got iron ores, the notable one that's off a little bit this morning. BHP Billiton's down 1.8% and Rio's down 1%. Tencent leading the show with up about 2.5%. And Aussie just looking to show around 69,500. Looking to what we're thinking today, I think obviously the focus has got to be on Naspers and Process. Initially, they've held up reasonably well. There was definitely an afternoon seller, and that sort of alleviated once that China news came through. I think Process is one that closed quite decently in Amsterdam, around 12.60. Let's watch how this one trades. I think it's coiling up quite nicely here, and if we can hold above 12.65, I think we can get a decent move higher. We obviously do have a stronger rand this morning, but I think buoyed by China tech and that bullish news, I think the stock can definitely get going. We're looking to buy pullbacks here, potentially for a move to retest the 200-day. The next stock that we're going to be watching quite closely is also Naspers. Naspers also closed we above 22,462. Definitely looks a lot more bullish, and definitely one we want to be watching this morning quite closely, maybe to move into that 2,520 area. So keep a close eye on Naspers and Processes buys. Then with iron ore being down this morning, I think we can maybe watch Anglos. Anglos could potentially have a little bit of a double top here. I think a stop loss above 730, but I think maybe one to be looking to short. The areas of interest 704 Rand and 693. So keep an eye on Anglos. And finally, I think we're going to keep an eye on Sappi. Sappi's got numbers this morning. I think traded quite well yesterday. Let's see if this is an indication of what the numbers are like today. There have been a few broker upgrades, but bear in mind it does struggle in this 48 area. So I wouldn't be looking to play a breakout here, but watch how these numbers do come out. And finally, ACL has traded quite poorly. Came with that really, really strong update. I think guys are waiting for the numbers tomorrow. Watch this one closely. Keep a stop loss of 924. And I think, let's see how the numbers pan out tomorrow. So just to recap our main ideas today, we're looking to be buying Process and Naspers and to be short of Anglos. Good luck today.